Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So obviously a little different of a video, especially for a rack store video, but I wanted to do this one because shout out to Corey. He sent me a box of fragrances this past week, and I did first impressions of a few that I hadn't tried yet, and I will link that video down below. But one of the fragrances that was actually in the box was Lattafa Khamrah's Dukhan. And I've seen this pop up at Burlington recently, so I wanted to try it. I sprayed it. I ran away. I was like, I should be filming this. So it was one that I had wanted to try for a while because I'm a big fan of this line. So let's take a look at it together. I figured, what the hell, I would do this knowing that it is available right now at Burlington. I want to say for around like $34.99. I actually passed on it a couple weeks back for something else. Here you have the presentation. Right there. It kind of has this kind of cool purplish tinge to it. So hopefully you're picking that up on camera. You can see that. Yeah, so let's give this one a try. Let's take a look at the atomizer. All right. Decent atomizer. Nothing crazy. Okay. Yeah, so I'm reminded of Lattafa, the original, Khamrah, the original, not Qahwa. Definitely picking up on that almost potpourri type vibe that I'm getting from this. I would say that this, for me, is a little bit maybe woodier, slightly smokier. It has that cinnamon vibe, that booziness. It's not my favorite one, if I'm being completely honest. I'm a big fan of Qahwa. That's my favorite so far. Incredible scent. Love the coffee note in there. This one, though, I can see why some people would like this. It is sweet. It does have some of those spicy cinnamon notes. Again, a little bit of booziness. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is that this is reminding me of like potpourri, like something that you would find in someone's bathroom, like your grandmother's bathroom on the top of the toilet to make it smell good. So in the air, let's try this on skin. See what this does. By the way, guys, I'm watching the Red Sox Yankees, and Sox just tied it at 3. So go Sox. Okay, much smoke. I like this way more off of skin than I did in the air. I like it. Yeah, it's still carrying that woodiness. It's definitely smokier, and the sweetness is really well balanced. Okay, this one is redeeming itself off of skin. It's not quite as sweet or boozy as the other two, and it definitely doesn't have a coffee note, at least not to my nose. It still has a little bit of that potpourri vibe to it, but the woods off of my skin, the smokiness are balancing that out much better than initial spray. This is actually pretty good. Guys, I don't know if you can hear Fred behind me snoring. Freddie. He's a good boy. Fred, what do you think? Khamrah Dukhan. He's not really feeling it. Let's take a look at the notes really quick. I'm liking this, actually, off of the skin. I just took another whiff before I started reading. Okay, top notes are spices, pimento, and mandarin. Mid notes are incense, labdanum, orange blossom, patchouli. And the base notes are tobacco, praline, amber, tonka bean, and benzoin. So that incense note, yeah, it stands out off of the skin. I'm trying to figure out what is actually giving me that potpourri vibe, although I will say it is subsided very nicely. The orange blossom maybe could be part of the issue with that, but I just think this is a really nice, well-balanced sweetness. This one, wow, okay. This surprised me, all right? I didn't like it initially in the air, but now smelling it off of skin, it smells way better. And I would say that a little bit more mature than the OG, less unisex than the OG. The OG, actually, for me, actually leans a little feminine. Not this one, though. This is the masculine version of the Khamrah line, my opinion. This is the most masculine version that I've tried. I also like that tobacco. That tobacco is adding to the smokiness of the scent. Corey, shout out to you, first of all, for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. I'd be curious to see what you guys think of Khamrah Dukhan. The spelling is just not like any words in English, and I do my best. And I try not to research this stuff before I talk about it because I want to give you guys an authentic first impressions. Knowing I have the channel, I try to keep it 100 with you guys and just give up first impressions and without any outside influence. So yeah, Dukhan. This one's nice. This one is surprising me. Really good. And I would also say that this was probably a little bit more elevated in the sense that I would wear this maybe dressed up, more work friendly, I think, than the other two in the wintertime, the fall. Just because of that incense, it works. It kind of calms some of that sweetness. It takes away the cloying effects that the other two have, if I'm being honest. The other two can be pretty sweet. So I'd be curious to know what you guys think of Khamrah Dukhan. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Is it your favorite in the line? Drop it in the comment section down below. But if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We just hit 24K. What? We just hit 24K, guys. Thank you so much. Comment, like, subscribe. I truly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.